Hello and a very good day, everyone. Today, Kirtiraj and I will explain about application of matrices in real life. Right. Okay. Firstly, we need to know about matrices. What is matrix? Matrices is a collection of numbers arranged in fixed numbers of rows and columns. Order of matrix in M multiplied by N. Then we need to know about types of matrix. There are 8 types of matrix. There is firstly row matrix. Then we have column matrix, identity matrix, null matrix, diagonal matrix, square matrix. Then we have symmetric matrix and anti-symmetric matrix or skew matrix.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kirtiraj. Today, I'm going to explain an example of an application of metrics in the real life. I'm going to explain it based on a question I found, and I'm going to explain it one by one. I will read the few key points in the question they should understand. Like Mr. Lokman bought a pack of gel pens, ball pens, and highlighter. Each pack contains 12 unit items equally, like 12 gel pens, 12 ball pens, and 12 highlighters, which equals to 108 ringgit. And then he gives it to Krush, who receives a box of 4 gel pens, 2 ball pens, and 3 highlighters, which cost 29 ringgit 50 cents. Whereas Kevin receives 2 gel pens and 9 ball pens with 3 highlighters. In order to solve this question, to get what's the price of each gel pen, which is represented by X, and Y for ball pen, and Z for highlighter. So to start the question, you have to always start it with a linear equation. You have to write it down in linear equation as is shown in this picture. And after that, we transform it into a matrix form as 3 by 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 2, 9, 3. And then XYZ 27, 29, 29.5, 29.5. This one is represented as matrix A, this one is represented by X matrix, and this one is represented by B. In order to solve this question, you have to times the AX equals to B with an inverse matrix A, so that you can cancel out the A matrix on the left side. An inverse matrix times an matrix is equals to an identity matrix. An identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. And then we get X matrix of X equals to inverse matrix A and times with matrix B. Okay, now to find the inverse matrix A, it's kind of tricky, but I'll explain it in the process. Inverse matrix, you have to find is equivalent to 1 over determine A and times with adjoint A. First of all, to find the determine, you have to times with you have to do show you back the 3. If you have to focus on the first row, and 3, you pick 3, and then you have to use this as a multiplication process. So it becomes 2 times 3 times 3 times 9, and then minus with this in the first row 3, and then 4 times 3 and 3 times minus 3 times 2, and then 1, and you get the answer of determine is 15. Later on, you have to find the cofactor A. It's the same process, but without timesing with the 3, and then you have the negative in the this here, and here, and here, and then you get the cofactor A. Later on, to get the adjoint A, you have to transpose the cofactor A, where you change the the row into columns and the columns to rows. Later on, after that, you can use the scalar multiplication, where 1 over 15 determinant, which is the 15 is determinant, times with the adjoint A, and then you get the inverse matrix A. And then you, at the end, you can just use this multiplication a 3 by 3 matrix times by 3 by 1 matrix, you will get a 3 by 1 matrix, which you get x, y, z. And then this you just multiply using a normal matrix process. And then you get x, gel pens is worth 3 ringgit 50 cents, y ball pen is 1 ringgit, and z highlighter is 4 ringgit 50 cents. That's all for me.
All right. Matrices has give an example of application of matrices in life. So the other application of matrices that we have is in video games, especially in 3D. They use the 3D matrix to 2D matrix to convert it into the different objects as per requirement. Secondly is economics and business. They use the matrices to study the trends of business shares and more. Thirdly is physics. Matrices are applied in the study of electrical circuits, quantum mechanics, and optics. It helps in the calculation of battery power outputs, assist the conversion of electrical energy into another useful energy. Therefore, matrices play a major role in calculations. Then in animation, it also can help make animation more precious and perfect. Usually it is used in movies for graphics. Lastly is geology. Matrices are used for taking seismic surveys. The conclusion of this chapter is matrices have a long history of application in solving linear equations. Matrix help solve mathematical problem in real world. And lastly, it has many applications in real life, which helps to increase efficiency of work in various fields. That's all from our group. That is Group B, Kirtiraj and Norman Amir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.